Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ionvac robot vacuum to Wi-Fi. First, download the Ionvac app from your smartphone's app store. Make sure your Ionvac is fully charged and placed on its charging base. Position the base in an open area, about 3 feet from any obstacles, to ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal for optimal performance. This initial preparation is key for a smooth setup process. Now, let's get your Ionvac ready for connection. Press and hold the power button on your robot vacuum for about 3 seconds. You should hear a clear voice prompt confirming that the device is entering pairing mode. The Wi-Fi indicator light on the vacuum will then start flashing quickly, signaling it's ready to connect to your network. This rapid flashing is your visual cue to proceed to the next step in the app. With your Ionvac in pairing mode, open the Ionvac app on your phone. Tap Add Device and select your specific Ionvac model from the options provided. You will then be prompted to enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network password. Confirm that the Wi-Fi indicator light on your vacuum is still flashing rapidly before proceeding to the next step. This ensures a proper connection. If you encounter issues, first ensure your Wi-Fi network is 2.4 GHz, as Ionvac devices do not support 5 GHz networks. Try moving your Ionvac closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve signal strength. A quick restart of both your router and the vacuum can often resolve connection problems. Remember to keep your app updated regularly for the best experience and new features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.